I did this simple makeup with a trendy sari for a party I hosted at home, a look with no liquid foundation and no liquid eyeliner. Let's start. I usually prep my lips with a lip plumper or a lip balm. The colored contacts I'm using are Pure Hazel by Fresh Look. Moisturize your face with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. It is always important to moisturize before makeup. I'm going to stick to a dry foundation which will work out beautifully because of the moisturization and there'll be no layers. Please use your concealer wherever required and color correct before the next step. Please use the technique I'm sharing. Brands should be bought according to your choice, but whatever I'm using is captioned in the video. I don't link them because the links expire. But if you want to use the products I'm using, just copy the caption as it is and you'll find them on Nykaa, Tira Beauty and Sephora. After concealer, take your dry foundation, use a brush and touch it up wherever required with a very light hand. This way you will look flawless. At the same time, you will not look layered. Now take a neutral eyeshadow of your choice and a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Apply the shade on your upper eyelid till your crease line. If you have hooded eyes, go higher up. And whatever is left on the brush, bring it down to your lower outer lash line. This step will contour your eyes. Now I'm going to do some eyelining without a liquid eyeliner, which I don't use. This is also better for people who don't have a steady hand. Take a kajal or a kohl and line your eyes, your upper eyelid. Keep the thickness as much as you want. Then take a smudge brush and smudge it out. It'll look beautiful and neat. I always set my eyebrows with a gel so that it stays in place. If you need to draw it, go for it. But do use the gel so that your eyebrows don't move. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. I always fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Then define your lips with a lip liner that will match your lipstick. I'm going for a red lipstick today. That's MAC Russian Red. Using it after a long time, a shade that I really love. Dab off the top layer with a tissue and apply again. That way your red lipstick will stay longer. Use a blush of your choice. If you use it in the angle that I'm using it in, you don't need a separate product to contour your face. Your face will look contoured anyway. Just blend well. I'm using a cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, by all means use a powder blush. Makeup is almost done. Just take your powder foundation and touch it up wherever required. Use a highlighter in the end. Use a highlighter of your choice. This will add a beautiful glam to your face and your skin will look lovely. Set your makeup with a spray and you're good to go. I'll see you soon with a few more easy, relatable makeup looks that you can do yourself. Till then, take care and stay glam.